been a part of your control panels, quietly powering every decision, every process. From panel meters and timers, to temperature and PID controllers, we have helped you measure, control, and protect what matters most. That trust wasn't built overnight. It was earned through reliability, accuracy, and performance, day after day. With our PF meters, we have been the eyes of your system, monitoring your efficiency for a decade. But power factor requirements are changing. These shifts have a direct impact on your savings. In a fast-changing environment, relying only on passive solutions is no longer effective. Different applications demand different solutions. Passive capacitor banks work, but they react in steps, respond slowly, and struggle with dynamic loads. That's why the answer isn't replacement, it's integration. Selec introduces a hybrid approach, working seamlessly with your existing capacitor banks, to deliver faster, smarter compensation. With stepless compensation and millisecond response, hybrid panel keeps power factor near unity, continuously. Hybrid panel goes beyond power factor, mitigating harmonics, balancing loads, and stabilizing the system in real time. Designed for four-quadrant operation, hybrid panel works seamlessly with modern systems, including solar and regenerative loads. By going hybrid, you get high performance without high replacement cost, making ASVG and AHF a smart and affordable upgrade. Because in today's world, efficiency isn't optional, it defines competitiveness. Selec Hybrid Panel, built on trust, made in India, made for the world.